Working at heights means not always knowing where the job will take you. That's why you want equipment that's flexible enough to adapt to a variety of situations. Introducing the 3M DBI SALA Nano Lok Wrap-Back SRL, a fall protection device and tie-off in one. This versatile solution is specifically designed to be tied off anywhere along its own lifeline component, helping provide a secure connection to beams, rebar walls, or other structures that can properly support fall arrest forces. This can be done either overhead or at foot level on non-sharp edges. Our first web SRL connector approved for foot level tie-off. The Nano Lok Wrap-Back SRL features a pin-style connector, so it attaches quickly and easily to your harness webbing. With such a wide variety of at-height environments and applications in the workplace, you can confidently consolidate and simplify your equipment thanks to the safety and versatility of the Nano Lok Wrap-Back SRL. To learn more about the 3M DBI SALA Nano Lok Wrap-Back SRL,